Hi, I'm Travis. Welcome to another episode of What's Cooking. Today I'm going to be making Mexican lasagna, and it's a very simple dish. All I have is mozzarella and cheddar cheese, and then taco meat, and then I have more cheese, which has some hot sauce in it and some egg to help everything hold together really well. And then to finish everything, I have fresh pico de gallo and sour cream and a little bit of shredded lettuce. And instead of your typical lasagna where there's pasta noodles or lasagna noodles, we're going to be using tortillas. So I'm just going to layer the bottom of this pan, and I'm going to do meat and cheese and tortilla, meat and cheese, and then just repeat that until the pan's full, and then we're going to top it with cheese and put it in the oven. So first things first, I like to tear a little bit of the tortilla off so I have a flat edge to go right up against the side of the pan. I'm going to be doing that to just about all of them. Just make sure the perimeter is covered, and I don't like a lot of tortilla going up the walls, because then when you scoop it, sometimes you kind of jab the tortilla and it wants to fold in, so you don't want that to happen. Now I can start layering my toppings. And this is just ground beef seasoned with onion and chili and cumin powder, a little bit of garlic. Same kind of meat we use in our taco bars or nachos, taco salad. For the cheese mixture, instead of using ricotta, I'm using cheddar, mozzarella, egg, and a little bit of hot sauce, because I hear that the heat levels in our Spanish dishes aren't up to par. So I thought I'd spice it up just a little bit. Okay, then we're just going to repeat that one more time, and we'll be able to get this into the oven. Okay, welcome back. I finished the lasagna. This is what it should look like before it goes in the oven. I'm just going to cover this with some foil, and we're going to get it in the oven for about 20-30 minutes. Hey, welcome back. My lasagna is out of the oven now. See, it's nice and golden around the edges. And we're going to cut into it and plate this up. I can already tell it's nice and firm. Fingers crossed. Moment of truth right here. Well, that turned out well. And then I'm just gonna top it with some sour cream. A little bit of shredded lettuce. And some pico de gallo. And that is a Mexican lasagna. And it's available Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday.